NBC TV 18 exclusive, the Lal Street is in the red because investors are cashing in on the gains. That's the explanation Raamdeo Agrawal has for the dip seen in the markets. Speaking to Latha, Venkatesh and Anuj Singhal at the Motilal Oswal's first 11th Global Investors Conference curtain raiser, the co-founder and joint MD of the brokerage house says that there's nothing intrinsically wrong with the markets as such.
This is a redemption because of high performance. You know, I mean, I understand redemption because of non-performance. But this is a time when people are pulling out from the market because market has done very well. They're scared of, repeat of 2008. People are scared of 2008 and all. But at current market cap of, say, 72-73% to GDP, I mean, always market can correct by 10-15%. But I don't see any kind of crash or big thing happening here.
Do you think we'll still remain in that kind of a market where you'll have to pay premium to buy some of these stocks?
Well, I think one thing that this market has taught in the last 5 years, that anything that looks expensive on a 12-month basis, if has a growth continuing over a 5-year basis, still continues to get re-rated, right? And most of the leaders in their respective categories have set new benchmarks of valuations, right? So I think we also have to be more flexible when we look at valuations, because these are very exciting times for many product categories, right? We never thought cement in the early stages of a recovery will start trading at $200 plus EV per ton, but maybe that is going to be the new benchmark, right? But if we are clear that the next 5 years demand is going to be better than the last 5 years, right? Don't just get off the bus because the valuations have, because what you will buy next may be cheaper but may not have growth left in it.
Your personal call, do you think it's now offering a good entry point for those who would have missed
Tomorrow is the conference, full day conference. I'm going to get up at 6:30 and rush to Pune to meet Mr. Sikka. I mean, one of the crazy things about the market is that right now, all the large pools of profits are grossly undervalued.
Finally, all is not well with the wellness industry. Which pharma company will you pick?
We had some issues with the FDA inspections and all, but I think a lot of relief is there in last 4-5 months, 6 months. A lot of relief is there. They have done their job of telling them, boss, you guys are going to become big, so gear up yourself with the quality and everything. And these guys have also taken notice that yes, we have to do that. So I think, but opportunity is very unique to India. Now whether it falls in company A or company B, that's the only issue. So I am very clear that this opportunity is a growth-oriented opportunity, and we are going to get even newer companies which are coming in this sector.
You said that you've seen some domestic redemption because of profit booking more than anything else, but that will also come back. Do you think we are at a stage like that?
I'll be very surprised market actually goes down significantly from here for a prolonged period. 5-10% correction, anytime it can happen. But whenever this thing happens, when foreigners are buying as well as Indians are buying, I mean, I think we are going to see some new highs.
All right.